Hello everyone, this is Carrie Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I will talk about custom keto diet. So if you like this video related to turtle health, I would like to request you all please subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So now the first part is what is custom keto diet. Custom keto diet is a keto based diet plan by famous nutritionist Rachel Robert. The diet plan is comprehensive and contains an array of bonus readers apart from the customized diet plan. You will find a lot of supplementary readers that provide essential information that keeps you motivated. Moreover, the diet contains a set of videos to help you with the exercises to reach higher fitness goals. But that's not it. The plan also have a customizable list of meal plans and grocery list. You can choose from a host of ingredients and recipes as per your likings. Just understand the process, stock the product and make delicious meals beside losing weight. But since we can't go into detail of each recipe and the whole plan, we need something to put our trust in. So we researched a bit about Rachel Robert and found some credible pieces of information. Rachel Robert is a well-known dietitian and a fitness expert. Since she struggled with stubborn body fat for a long time, we can trust her first-hand experience. Indeed, she tried and tested a large number of diet plans before creating this one. The issue with her and most of us is that we don't stick to one plan. Moreover, a lot of times we choose generalized plans that are kind of a hit and miss. You never know what works for you. And spending money and personal dietitian can become cumbersome in your pocket quickly. Rachel thus made an affordable diet plan that caters to all. She has compiled recipes that contains a variety of readily available ingredients that you can make at home. Moreover, she has put in other recipes to ensure you only get what you need from the diet plan. You won't need to switch away from this diet plan because it is so flexible. The plan helped Rachel lose a lot of weight and more importantly, she learned to get into a healthy lifestyle the easy way. Now I will talk about shipping and returns. You won't need to wait intently and perhaps annoyingly for a week to get your diet plan. You can start the same day as your order because it gets delivered in PDF format through the email. If you don't want to be on screen much of the time, you can take a print and hang it on your bedroom wall or fridge. The diet plan also comes with a 60-day money back guarantee. You need to share the proof that you followed the diet intently. You can share pictures of before and after with a time stamp to claim your refund. The 100% refund usually processed within a week of requesting it. Now, I will talk about how does it work. The custom keto diet is a flexible approach that increases your chances of being consistent with the plan. You won't think about giving up because you are not sacrificing much. It doesn't restrict you to a set of guidelines that you might not be able to follow. It works in a two-step process. It would first try to know about your lifestyle and then let you choose the kind of meals you can eat. They have options for vegans as well as hardcore non-vegetarians. The process of ketosis starts within a week. You will see significant results in 8 weeks. Here are the steps to custom keto diet. You need to select how active you are to let the diet plan make the right meal choice for you. Here are your options. Couch potato, somewhat active, average activity, very active, extremely active. Select your preferred food items. Meat section, you need to select the source of protein you will like. In this section, the vegans also have the option to choose no meat, so you can skip this step. You can choose from pork, beef, chicken, fish, bacon and no meat. Veggies, you must choose at least one vegetable from the following option: avocado, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, asparagus, mushrooms, others essential items. You can also choose from the following delicious food items to include in your plan: cottage cheese, nuts, eggs, coconut, butter. Now that's all in this video. I hope you got it. What I'm trying to explain you about the custom keto diet. If you have any sort of questions coming onto your mind, please drop down all your doubts in the description box below, or you can directly reach me up to the another portals as well if you want to talk to me directly on Instagram, Facebook, and many more. I will surely drop down all the links in the description box below. So before signing off, I would like to request you all, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please do that, so that I will come up with more and more videos and help you in a different way. So till then, have a great life ahead. God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye.